Hey guys, today let's learn how to access the Meta Business Suite from our Facebook page. So if you are wondering how to access the Meta Business Suite through the Facebook page, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so once I've already logged on to my preferred Facebook account that I'd like to go ahead and use, now what we want to go ahead and do is to go ahead and proceed with tapping on your account and going on to your Facebook page to switch on that profile. Now I'm going to go to just tap on my Facebook page's profile, and now we are already here. Now what I want you guys to go ahead and do is to go ahead and proceed with tapping on your account again right here, and we're going to have this option to access the Meta Business Suite from our Facebook page right here. We actually have two locations to do that. One is on the right section and the other is all the way right here onto the left. Now either way, once you choose the Meta Business Suite, it is going to redirect you to the Meta Business Suite from your Facebook page, and it's that easy guys to access the Meta Business Suite. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.